YouTube is an incredibly powerful platform for marketing your business. With over 2 billion monthly active users, it is one of the most popular websites in the world. There are several strategies you can use to promote your business on YouTube. First, create engaging, high-quality videos that will attract viewers. Make sure to use an attention-grabbing title, interesting visuals, and a clear call to action in each video. Additionally, use keywords that are related to your business in the titles, descriptions and tags of your videos to optimize them for search. Second, consider experimenting with paid ads to reach a larger audience. You can choose from several types of ads, such as in-stream ads, display ads, and bumper ads. Advertising on YouTube is cost-effective and you can target specific audiences to get the most out of your ad budget. Third, work with YouTube influencers to promote your business. Influencers have a large and engaged following and they can help you reach a much wider audience. You can collaborate with them to create sponsored content, product reviews, or brand campaigns. Fourth, cross-promote your videos on other social media platforms, such as Twitter and Instagram, to increase your reach and engagement. You can also create a YouTube channel on your website and share your videos there. By following these strategies, you can market your business on YouTube and reach a larger audience. Good luck!